Every dropshipper knows things can go wrong fast. A shipment gets lost, a product arrives damaged, or a customer files a claim. That's why having a business insurance isn't optional. It's essential. Dropshipping involves multiple moving parts: suppliers, carriers, and customers, and each one carries risk. Without coverage, one problem can eat into your profits. Next Insurance helps covers your blind spots. General liability for injury or damage claims. Product liability if a product causes harm. Goods in transit for lost or damaged shipments. Cyber liability to protect against online threats. Property coverage if you store items or run a physical office. They understand e-commerce businesses and offer affordable, tailored policies you can buy online in minutes. Secure your dropshipping business today. Click the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance and protect your store from day one.